it is a blessing and a privilege that God has brought each one of you here today. Tama?
Yes.
We may have come with different story. Pwede tayong storya, no? Ano ba yung mga istorya natin? Different burdens, different expectation, and different needs. But we all have one thing in common. Ano nga ba yun? We are here because we desire to seek God's presence. Tama? Amen? Are you with me? Yes. The Bible reminds us in James chapter 4, verse 8. Sabi rito, draw near to God, and He will draw near to you. Today, it's not empty. It's not simply about attending our meetings. Kumusta ba kayo dito para saan? It is about encountering the living God. When we will make a room for Him, He speaks, He heals, He restores, He strengthens, and He transforms our lives. As we begin this retreat, I encourage everyone to set aside every distraction. Yan, mga distraction. Leave behind your worries, your responsibilities,